Hi guys! Today I'm going to show y'all how to make clean custom text bubble appearance in JJS instead of whatever this is. Now keep in mind that it doesn't necessarily need to be in text, but anything you want. So first of all, get any text bubble frame that you either made by yourself or got from somebody else. If you want mine, I'll give the link in the caption and comments. Next, go into any image editor software you want. It could be Canva, Photoshop, whatever you want. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Designer, and put any type of text and font you want. Now, write and put anything you want, and once you are done, save it as a copy, and you're already done with the first step. Second step is to open the Roblox Creator Hub and follow where I go. Now, once you're here, just import your custom text frame and download it, and you are done with the second step. Now you're going to want to get the texture ID of your custom text frame by following what I'm doing. And once you did, you are already done with the second step. Now go to JJS, activate your build mode, and make a custom move. Inside the move, you are going to add two billboard VFX, one for the text frame entrance and one for when it fades away. Now paste the texture ID that you copied earlier and put it in the texture section. In position, put whatever position you want, and in alt position, make sure the Y value is its opposite. So for example, if it's 3 in the first position, you need to make it -3 or smaller in alt position, or when it's -3 in position, you need to make 3 or higher in alt position. Also, make sure the X and Z value are set to 0 in alt position so it stays in place. Put whatever time value you want, and make sure to put a weight node right after the first billboard VFX with same weight value. And for the size, if you want it to grow, for example, from 0.1 to 1.2. Put 0.1 in first size and 12 in alt size so it gives a cleaner appearance. Now, in easing style, I recommend putting exponential. And in easing direction, I recommend putting out for the first billboard and in and out for the second one, but you are free to use any one you want depending on the speed you want it to appear or go away. Now in the second billboard VFX, you need to put in position the same value as the first one in the X and Z value, but for the Y axis you need to put the opposite of the difference between the first Y value and the alt Y value of the first billboard SFX. So in this case it was 1.5 for the first Y value and 4.5 for the alt Y value. So you need to do 3 minus 4.5, which give us minus 1.5. And since the difference is negative in this, then we are going to put a positive value in the second billboard Y position value. In this case, since it was minus 1.5, I'm going to put 1.5. After this, put whatever you want in the alt position and make sure the X and Z value stays at 0. Add the easing style and direction style you want. Make sure both billboard have a certain opacity and alt opacity value. In my case, in the first billboard, I use -1 for opacity and 1 for alt opacity, and the opposite for the second billboard. And voila, you have now a clean-looking custom text bubble appearance.